Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will make Lebu Bhat Frige Bashi Bhat Diye or lemon rice with leftover refrigerated rice. It's a South Indian recipe made in my way. It's a part of main course that goes very well with both vegetarian and non-vegetarian side dishes. If you like this recipe, then please subscribe and like my channel. You can also leave your comment in the comment box. To make Lebu Bhat, we first have to make the masala. For that, heat about 3/4 teaspoon of ghee and oil about 4 tablespoons in a pan. Mix and bring it to fumes. Add black mustard seeds about half tablespoon. Saute in low to medium heat for 1 minute or till it stops popping. Otherwise, it will have a bitter taste. Add curry leaves, about 10, fresh or dry. It is optional. Saute in low to medium heat for 1 minute or till a nice aroma of the curry leaves come out. Add refrigerated rice about 4 cups. With fingers, break the lumps of rice and then add to the masala. Rice used is straight from the refrigerator. It can be made with fresh rice also, but make sure the rice is not overcooked. You can also leave rice for some time so that it comes to the room temperature. Salt about half teaspoon. Turmeric powder about half teaspoon. And lemon juice about 1/4 of a large lemon or as per taste. Mix well. Taste it. Add whatever is required. I have added lemon juice again, about 1/4 of a lemon. Lemon juice can be strained before use. Mix well again. Cook in low to medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Note, instead of mustard seeds, cumin can be used. Instead of curry leaves, bay leaf or both can be used. Cardamom and cinnamon sticks can also be used. Make sure that the salt added is less, as the rice will be eaten with a curry which will have salt in it. Serve hot with vegetarian or non-vegetarian curry. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment and clicking on the like, subscribe and bell icon below. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.